Hi you guys, I just got to Hobby Lobby and I just wanted to show some of you where to get your supplies when you get to the store. So, store normally has like the supplies like as soon as you walk in, the front, the very front where the flowers be. I don't know if everyone's set up this way, but this is how mine is. So the bases that you're gonna need, you can choose from any one of these. They come in so many different sizes. Today I'm gonna get one big circle, and for the big circle I need to choose a flower. So you choose the flower that size that you want to use, but if you're gonna use this big circle here, you need to choose like a very big flower that's gonna cover it up like this. So let me see if I can find one that's not open. Okay, so next is the ribbon. So again, if you are like a freshman or a sophomore, then you want to get colors like this. You want to get colors like so. But if you're a junior or a senior, you want to get the white and gold or the white and silver here. Here are the solid colors here that you can use as a base to go behind, like as the back. So I'm just gonna get some of these here. I'm gonna get probably about like 10 to 15 maybe. Okay, so depending on what your child does at school, they have like color guard here in different colors. They have choir. I think this is cheerleading. They have tennis, basketball. This like band right here, if they're a band person, choir. And then there's more. Let me just find it here. Oh, okay, so football is here, cheerleaders are there. It's so many different things that you could be a part of. Okay, so I was gonna go with silver and white. No, because I did silver and white the last time, I was gonna do gold and white, but they're out of a lot of gold and white for seniors, and which is a good thing because that means that a lot of seniors are getting their mums made. Okay, so I couldn't find a lot of things, so what I'm gonna do is improvise. So I got these little alphabet stickers because I can put the name on there. I can put senior on one. I can put his name on one of the ribbons, or I can put senior down one of the ribbons, just so I could know. You know, it's kind of hard when they don't have everything. You just have to like become creative, right? So I've walked around like 5 times thinking that something will magically appear, and they're not. So we're just gonna work with what we have and make it work. All right. Okay, so my total amount was $35, which is really good. I thought it was gonna be a little more, but they also didn't have a lot of stuff that I bought the first time for the first mom that I made. So we're improvising here, and then I had to buy like different stuff to make it look different. So if you do buy more than what you needed, you can always take it back, keep your receipt, and you can get your money back for that stuff, or you can keep it for next season when it come back around the next year. Definitely, I will see you on the live video on how to put it all together and share this video to someone who wants to make their own mom so they can know what to look for and what to buy. And I did overhear someone in the store saying that they have a mom store. So some towns have mom stores where they just only sell those supplies, and then it's people like me who like Hobby Lobby. All right. See y'all on the live video.